Welcome back to the channel, car enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a look at something truly special, the 2025 Ford Falcon 1969, a stunning blend of vintage charm and modern performance. This is not your average classic car revival. Ford has done something incredible here, updating the iconic Falcon with new technology, but still keeping that classic appeal. So let's dive right into it and see what makes this gold-colored beauty such a standout. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ford Falcon 1969 comes in a mesmerizing gold color, and honestly, it's hard to look away. This metallic gold finish not only captures the essence of the original Falcon, but it also adds a modern touch that makes the car look fresh and stylish. The lines are sharp, the proportions are perfect, and the car has a sleek, aggressive stance that commands attention. The chrome grille and trim around the windows give it that classic touch, but there's nothing dated about this car. It's a perfect fusion of the past and the present, with a bold, clean design that really pops under the sunlight. Now, moving on to the interior, which is where Ford really takes things up a notch. The gold theme continues inside, where the color is subtly incorporated into the upholstery. The seats are a luxurious leather, offering not just great support, but also a touch of elegance that you don't often find in classic car revamps. The dashboard has been modernized with a beautiful minimalist layout, showcasing a large touchscreen infotainment system with all the connectivity you'd expect from a car in 2025. The classic dials and switches are still present, but they've been reimagined with updated technology, so you get the best of both worlds. The interior is spacious, offering plenty of legroom for both the driver and passengers, with a retro vibe that'll make you feel like you're driving a piece of history. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ford Falcon 1969 really shines. Under the hood, you've got a powerful V8 engine that delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The acceleration is smooth and strong, and the engine growls with authority, just like you'd expect from a car with this pedigree. It's not just about raw power, though. Ford has made sure the Falcon handles beautifully too. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising down an open highway, the suspension provides a smooth, comfortable ride without compromising on the car's responsiveness. It's the kind of performance that makes you excited to drive every time you get behind the wheel. Finally, let's talk about the price. As expected with a car that combines vintage style with modern performance and technology, the 2025 Ford Falcon 1969 comes with a premium price tag. The starting price for the base model is around $55,000, and depending on the trim level and any additional features, it can go up from there. While it might seem like a significant investment, when you consider the combination of its stunning looks, incredible performance, and modern tech, it's clear that the value is there for collectors and enthusiasts alike. So, in conclusion, the 2025 Ford Falcon 1969 is an absolute gem. From its head-turning gold exterior to its luxurious interior, this car takes everything you loved about the original Falcon and elevates it to new heights. With performance that thrills and a price that reflects its quality, this is a car that truly stands out. If you're someone who appreciates the beauty of classic cars but wants all the modern conveniences, the 2025 Ford Falcon 1969 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this.